In this video, you'll be introduced to text tool. First, you'll select the text tool from the toolbar. Let's say Happy New Month as it's a new month. We need each word to be on different layer. You can duplicate this layer with Ctrl J and type new. Or you click on the text tool to type. You can position your text by using the moving tool. You can select the words together and increase the font to be on the same proportion by expanding it from this node. You can format each text by double-clicking on the right side of the layer to access the layer style and play around with the settings. We'll use the same step for the other words and play with the settings as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more as we go deep dive into how to manipulate our text on other videos. Thanks for watching.